If you're looking for a compact desktop speaker that offers more than just great sound, Yamaha's got a solution you're definitely going to want to check out. Hi, I'm Carl from Abt, and this is the Yamaha MusicCast 20 speaker model WX-021, and don't let the small size fool you. This speaker's got a lot packed into its small cabinet. Looks-wise, Yamaha's done a nice job. It comes in a white or black finish, and it's an oval shape with a grill that wraps around the sides and partly onto the back. On the back, you've got a threaded mounting point for attaching this to a wall mount, and on the bottom is some rubberized material to prevent it from sliding around if you're using it on a tabletop. The top of the speaker is a bit concave and has a glossy finish, and this is where you'll find all the touch controls. You've got numbers 1 through 3 here, which are for music presets. Then you have your play pause button, a connect button, volume up and down, and finally a button shaped like a clock, and that's for setting an alarm. So it works great on a nightstand if you're kind of looking for something that sounds and just looks way better than a normal alarm clock. You're also going to see some indicator lights on the top. Those let you know when the power's on, if you have an alarm set, if it's connected to your home network, or if you've got something hooked up via Bluetooth. And did you know you can actually pick these up right here at Abt? All you have to do is click on the link in the description below for all of our current pricing on this and the rest of the Yamaha MusicCast lineup. And that brings us to the inputs. On the bottom you've got your power plug, an Ethernet port for a hardwired network connection, and a USB, but that's only used for service, but that's it. The other ways to use this are going to be through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirPlay, and Spotify Connect. It's also compatible with Amazon's Alexa, but you'll need to add a separate device for that functionality. And the Wi-Fi works great with the MusicCast app. There's more to the app than we can address in this video, but Yamaha's done a great job making it really easy to use and extremely functional for anyone, whether you've got one MusicCast speaker or you've got 10 installed throughout your entire home. And this can be installed in a variety of different ways, as an individual piece, part of a stereo pair, or you can even use it as a rear channel in a 5.1 surround setup using other MusicCast speakers. So how does it sound? Well, here's a sound test so you can get an idea. I think for the size, it sounds great. You get more bass than you'd expect from a speaker this size. Mids and highs are both well defined, and it all adds up to a nice listening experience. On the technical side, you get a 3.5-inch woofer, a 1 1/8 inch tweeter, and 2 passive radiators which are driven by 40 watts of power, 25 to the woofer and 15 to the tweeter. It's really plenty of power for a small speaker like this. And that's the WX-021. What do you think? Is it something you'd add to your home entertainment setup? Let us know in the comments. As always, we appreciate you checking out our video, and don't forget to subscribe so you get updates whenever we upload new content.